Good evening, students. Once again, I am before you with video number 41, chapter number 16. And in this video, we can discuss about what? Depletion in water table. Why the depletion in water table occurs. Let us see. As long as the water drawn from the ground is replenished by seepage of rainwater, the water table remains unaffected. The problem starts when we take more water from the ground than is replenished by natural means. Then the water table goes down and it is said to be depleted. The main reasons responsible for depletion of water table are: number one, increasing population. As you know, the population is increasing day by day. That creates a lot of burden on the water table. So, due to growing population, there is an increased demand for potable water. There is more need for drinking water and also for water for other purposes like irrigation, construction, economic activities, and recreation. Growing population also means more construction of houses and metal or pakka roads. This has created an impervious layer of concrete above the ground at most of the places. The mismatch in supply and demand is resulting in depletion of water table, and most of the places are facing acute shortage of water. Second one, industrial activities. Almost all the industries, whether large scale, medium scale, or a smaller scale, it depend on water for their operation. Probably every manufactured product use water during some part of the production process. The rapid growth of industries has raised the demand of water manifold, resulting the depletion of water table. Number three, agricultural activities. Due to erratic and scanty rainfall, farmers cannot depend entirely on rain for irrigation. Water in the canal depends on the rainwater. Hence, farmers depend on groundwater for irrigation, resulting in overuse of groundwater that result in depletion of the water table. Also, some more activities such as uneven distribution of rainfall, deforestation, and global warming are responsible for depletion of water table. Distribution of water. The distribution of water over the earth is quite uneven due to a number of factors. The most important factor, that is the rain. Some places receive good amount of rain, whereas some places have less rainfall. Mismanagement of water. Number one, by water supply department. Many a times we have seen the big water supply pipe leaking, which leads to wastage of precious water. At individual level, we all waste a huge amount of water while brushing teeth, bathing, shaving, and during many other activities. Leaking taps are another source of huge water wastage. Number three, mismanagement of the rainwater. As we know, the rainwater can be used to recharge groundwater. So, government department and public should make sure that rainwater should not flow into dirty water, drain, and become useless. Now, some assignment questions based upon video number 41. Question number 1, mention the main reasons responsible for depletion of water table. Question number 2, how does agricultural activities responsible for depletion of water table? Question number 3, at individual level, how the wastage of water occurs? Question number 4, name the most important factor for distribution of water. And question number 5, why it is easier to install a hand pump in the plain region. So, dear student, in this video, we have discussed about depletion in water table and of course the distribution of water, because we know everywhere the distribution of water is proper, even Definitely no. And what are the reason? What are the causes? Now, after watching this video, you will be aware about it. So thank you. Keep watching the video. Thank you. Thank you everyone.